Good afternoon, everyone. This is a collaboration with TEMI. It is a Frylr brand, and what they have done, they have contacted me and want me to do a review on their writing desk. It's a computer desk. It's 31 and a half inches. It is folding. It has a vintage design, but the rustic veneer finishing. The legs are black metal frame. So let's get this out of the box and take a look at it. It's supposed to be rub and scratch resistance. So it is foldable. So once you finish with it, if you do not want to keep it out, you can fold it. It also has 2 USB charger cords on it, charger outlet, and 2 electrical outlets, which is great if you have your iPad and your computer and you want to use them both on this desk. You can plug them right into the desk. It also has the adjustable legs, so I'm excited about it. Want to take a look at it and see what we have here. So guys, I'm going to just open this box up and I'm going to turn it around so you all can see it as I take it out. So it's boxed up nicely. And also, it's waterproof, scratch-proof, and environment protection. So let's take a look at it. You all know I'm always in this area doing my lives, so I may just have a desk that I can use in this area that's foldable, and I can remove it when I'm not using it. When I'm doing a live, I can bring it right back out here and set it up. Okay? I will be leaving TEMI's information in my description box so you all can go over to Amazon and check this desk out. Well, here it is. You all can see the USB. There's 2 and also 2 outlets. So let me go ahead and get it out so you can take a better view of it. I think what I'm going to love about it is the outlets here and the fact that it is foldable. When I finish using it, I can just fold it up. The maximum capacity on it is 500 pounds, which is great. And the desk itself only weighs 24.2 pounds. And I love the rustic brown and black color of it. And the materials are MDF board and metal. I love it, the metal legs on it. As I said, they just snap out. So what we're going to do, we're going to snap them out and take a better look at it. And I can see here where it also has the little adjustable feet on the bottom, so you can adjust the legs on it. Okay, so let's pull the legs out on it. Then I'll stand it up so you all can see. And they pop right out and go into place, which is great. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it over. No pushing, they just pop directly out. So let me turn it over so you all can get a better look at it. There you go. Like I said, it is waterproof, scratch resistant, and it's environmental protection. This is TEMI. I will be leaving that information in my description box, guys. I'm loving the outlet and the USB. Let's get it plugged in, and we're going to see how it does. So we're going to plug it in. I'm going to bring my computer over here and set it on top of here. I already have my iPad on it. So we're going to see how it does once I plug it up. And as I said, I will be leaving this information on in the description box. Okay, guys, so you can see I have it all set up here. I have my iPad and my computer here, so it's enough room. Guys, I am loving this. I want to thank TEMI for inviting me to review this desk form and this collaboration. Guys, again, this is a very sturdy desk. There's enough room for your laptop and your iPad. And also, you have the outlets for your telephone. Okay? Very sturdy. TEMI, I give this a 95. I really think I'm going to enjoy this desk. As I said, I do a lot of lives here, so I can just put it in the garage when I'm ready for it, get it, pop it up, and there it is. Thank you, TEMI, for allowing me to do this collaboration with you, Design Family. Go over to Amazon and take a look at this great desk. This is Emma. I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.